Junior Filipino gymnast Carl Eldru Yulo is preparing for his major competitions this year. Here's the report from Jamaica Bayaca.
After receiving a special citation for gymnastics at the Philippine Sports Writers Association Awards, the Filipino junior gymnastics star Carl Eldru Yulo is now preparing for prestigious artistic gymnastics tournaments in 2025.
Ngayon, yung Asian Championship sa South Korea and yung Junior World here sa Philippines gaganapin.
As part of Yulo's training, he attended at Sunday training camp in Japan under the Japanese coach Munehiro Kugimiya.
Yung trainings ko sa Japan, okay lang naman. Maraming nag-upgrades, maraming nalinis, and maraming natutunan, maraming naging friends, and marami naging ka-close to.
Carl also noted that he aims to sharpen not just his gymnastic skills but also his mental toughness as an athlete.
It would be mental growth. Like, gusto ko every competition mais pag-isip ko, set na kagad, hindi nagkakaroon pa ako ng anxiety. Of course, we all want that, right? And ang gusto natin is parang focus lang.
At the age of 16, Eldru is continuously proving his legacy in the gymnastics community, just like his older brother, double Olympic gold medalist Carlos Yulo. Jamaica Bayaca from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.